start off, we will make a script called global. We'll add a variable called HUD, make it a canvas layer, but leave it empty. Next is to create a HUD scene. This HUD scene will be a canvas layer, and we will create two progress bars, one called health bar under, the other called health bar over. For health bar over, we will go to theme overrides, styles, and for the fill style, we will make it a style box flat, and I have just made it green. And for the health bar under, we will do the same thing, but we will make the fill, I've made it red here, and we will give it a background. Now to go to the script, we will capture the health bar over and under as a variable, and we are going to set on the ready section, we'll set global.hud to equal self. It is an important note that you must make the global script an autoload. You do this by finding it here and then adding it through this. And see, I have it here. That allows us to, from any spot in the project, we're able to reference something in that script. Next, we will create this simple function, which we call it set player health bar value. We will start by setting the health bar over value to the value variable. Next, we will create a tween variable, and we will tween the health bar under to equal the health bar over variable. This will just is not necessary, but will give us a nice effect. Next, we are going to need to create a new scene. This will be a component. Components are a very important part of Godot architecture. They allow us to reuse things in code, and for this, it will allow us to reuse this in any scene that needs any kind of health variable. So we will set this to be just a regular node, and I've called it a health comp, which stands for component. We have these set of variables. We have max health, which I have set to 5. We have our health variable, which equals our max health, which we set on our set health function. Then we have an isPlayer bool and a invincible bool. I should set there. So for set health, we have a variable here. So whenever we call this function, it takes in this variable. And we will create a new variable called previous health, which equals health at the beginning of this variable. And then we will clamp our health. We will clamp it from 0 to our max health. Now, this is the really important part. This is how we set our health bar to be the same as our health variable. If our health does not equal previous health and we are the player, we're going to want to do global.hud set player health bar and then the health. Health will be the same thing. If we go over here, it will be the value. So the value equals the health. And now we're going to want to create just two more functions. One is add health, which adds whatever value you put in to the health, and then remove health, which is if not invincible, which is where this comes in. This is just something that you can is good for debugging. Then we will remove the value from the health. And if I go to my player, so this is just for testing, so it's just a no 2D and I have added the health component, and I've set the health to be 5. By the way, this is important. Your max health should be the exact same number as what you have for here, your max value. So this is 5, and then my max health is also 5, and I've set it to isPlayer. So on here, I've just made it so if you press UI up, you add health, which this is how you call this, and UI down, we will remove health as an example of how to call both of them. Then I have this level scene where I have my player and my HUD, and if I press play, if I press UI down, you'll see um, it gives us this nice red effect, and I can also add the health. And there you go. Thank you for watching.